in 1770, a bunch of British soldiers shot 5 Bostonians in the street and killed them, which then became known as the Boston Massacre. I was intrigued by some depositions that I assigned to my students that we'd always known about, in which people started talking about how soldiers' wives were threatening each other the day before. To figure this out, I realized I actually needed to know where all of these soldiers lived. And to do that, I recruited a bunch of students who had taken a class with me in colonial America.
Even though we're kind of going at this from a scientific approach, there's still a ton of interpretation involved, and you're never really sure about anything.
We had a wonderful 1769 map, and it showed every building on every block.
So I spent the whole day looking for this person, finding out who this person's parents were and where they might have lived and who they deeded their land to.
The history department for a long time has used students for research. What happens are students pick one piece of the research and the faculty member will pick another piece, and they bring them together as a joint project.
Well, because I'm a pre-dental major, I have a lot of experience with science research and even going to labs and researching things about DNA. And I wanted to learn more about how historians research.
The students made themselves turn a piece of the research into their own independent projects. They may end up using a part of it for comps or for a paper. If they are deeply involved in it, they will co-write it or co-present it professionally.
This is the kind of thing that is probably going to be happening a lot more in the future, the way humanities are progressing, and just having that kind of field melding, maybe groundbreaking in certain ways kind of experience, I think will be endlessly important.